Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Hi, this is Anna speaking, one of the state regulated benefit coordinator on a recorded line. How are you doing today?
Good.
Thank you. Actually, the reason of this call is to tell you about a new low-cost final expense insurance plan, which is designed to cover 100% of your burial, cremation, or any other final expenses. To see if you qualify for this wonderful state-regulated insurance plan, may I know how old are you?
Yeah, I'm 68 years old.
68. Okay. Actually, I am the state regulated benefit coordinator. I will see if you qualify and also will help you to identify all of the discounts and programs you qualify. There are 3 incentive-based discounts you might qualify. By any chance, have you been diagnosed with any disease like dementia, Alzheimer's, AIDS, HIV virus?
I'm sorry, I hardly understood anything you said. You have a strong Texas. You have a strong Texas accent. I can tell you're from Texas. Oh, go ahead. I'm sorry. Could you repeat it?
By any chance, have you been diagnosed with any disease like dementia, Alzheimer's, AIDS, HIV virus?
No.
That's good. So, have you been to any medical facility, assisted living, or nursing home within last 1 month?
Have I been to any? Is that what you said?
Any medical facility, assisted living, or nursing home within last 1 month?
You want to know if I have been to one? Because I did go visit my mom. Does that count? Is that what you mean? Like I went to a hospital to visit my mom?
Okay. Hello?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Hello. Can you hear me?
I hear you.
Sir, have you been to any medical facility?
Well, I'm telling you,
Assisted living or nursing home?
I went to visit my mother while she was in the hospital about 3 weeks ago. Is that what you want to know? I don't understand your question.
Okay. Sir, are you still working or retired?
I'm retired.
Hello?
I am retired.
Hello? Okay, so do you currently receive Social Security, disability, or veteran benefits?
I get Social Security.
Social Security, okay. So, sir, can you verify your 5-digit zip code?
Yes, I can.
Zip code.
I can. 72855.
72855.
Right.
Okay, I will check it. Just wait a minute. Okay, your city is Paris.
Oh no, I'm actually in Skunk Hollow, Arkansas. We're across the river from Paris, but we use the same post office. It's SKUNK space. It's 2 words. HOLLOW.
So, sir, do you use a traditional bank or credit union or any bank account?
I do have a bank account, yes.
Okay, that's cool. So,
what part of Texas are you from?
Just wait a minute.
Are you still in Texas?
Hello?
Yeah, are you still in Texas? Or did you just grow up? Did you just grow up in Texas? Because I can tell you have a Texas accent.
So, sir, how long you living in this state?
How long have I lived in this state?
In this state, yeah.
In this state. Is that what you said, state?
Yes.
I have lived here over 30 years.
Over 30 years.
30. 30 years.
So,
30.
okay. Sir, you definitely qualify for some additional discounts. These plans are specially designed for the people who are on limited income and are usually paid out within 24 to 48 hours of notification.
Oh, I don't know that I'm on social, pardon me. I'm on Social Security, but I wouldn't say I'm on limited income because I have lots of money.
Okay. So now I have a senior supervisor with me on the other line. He will further assist you about this plan. But before I continue, let me verify a few things really quick. We basically have two plans, burial and cremation plan. Which plan do you want to learn more about?
Could you repeat that?
We basically have two plans. Cremation
Okay, I understood.
Plan.
I understood you said two plans. What did you say before that? Something, yes. Two plans?
Which plan do you want to learn more about?
Well, okay, but you're skipping ahead. You said something, two plans. Could you start over again on that part?
Burial. We basically have two plans, burial and cremation.
The city has two plans, burial and creation. The city?
Cremation.
What city?
No, we basically have two plans.
Basically?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. It's just that you're so Texas. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, but you're so Texas.
Hello.
You guys are funny in Texas. Yeah. Basically, there's two plans, burial and creation. I understand burial. What is creation?
Burial and cremation.
Oh, cremation. Cremation.
Yes.
So
which plan do you want to learn more about?
Wow, I hadn't really thought of that. Well, let's stick with burial right now. I know you guys down there, you like to get burned, don't you? But let's stick with burial.
Okay. So, if you decide to take this plan, who would be your beneficiary? Son, daughter, or spouse?
My son.
Okay, that's good.
You need it, Roy Rogers.
So, sir?
My son, Roy Rogers.
You mentioned about.
Miss, did you need his name? It's Roy Rogers.
Okay.
R-O-Y.
Sir, you mentioned about you are 68 years young. So what's your date of birth?
68 years young. That's funny. That's funny.
So, sir, what's your date of birth?
6/28/54.
6/28.
1954.
Okay, 1954. Okay. So you're perfectly qualified to apply for these regulated plans by submitting your information.
This travel plan? You said it's a travel. You said a travel plan?
No, this state regulated plan.
This what?
State regulated plan. By submitting your information, you agree to receive communications via live, auto dial, pre-recorded calls, email or text messages from up to 8 insurance companies, their agent and partner companies at the telephone number you provided, and hold the company harmless from any demand.
Pardon me. I would the number I would like to provide you is my landline, and it's 313.
Best part is that
313-563-8593. and you may call that number every day, as long as it's you, because you are so personable.
Hello?
I'm still here.
So, best part is that your consent is not required to purchase anything from these companies. Is that okay?
That's the best part?
Yes.
That
Your
doesn't...
consent is not required to purchase anything from these companies.
My consent is not required to purchase anything from these companies.
So,
Well, I like it when
okay.
I like it when my consent
Alright.
is required to purchase things. I don't like to just have things purchased without my consent. Does that make sense to you?
Okay.
I know some people are like that.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Can you hear me?
I hear you very well now. I think you must move closer to the phone.
That's all done. That's all done from my side. Now I'm going to connect this call to one of my supervisor. He will quickly make sure that I didn't make any mistake and set you up, then connect it to the licensed agent. Okay?
I'm going to talk to your supervisor, and
Yes.
I am only going to have good things to say about you. So I don't need the... was there a problem? I need to talk to the supervisor?
Sir, he will quickly make sure that I didn't make any mistake and set you up, then connect it to the licensed agent.
Oh, put him on. Yes.
Okay.
Transfer me to your supervisor.
Okay.
And it's been delightful talking
Hold
to
on.
you. It was a pleasure. I'm glad you
Sir,
called today.
Can you spell your first name?
Didn't
your
I
first name.
tell you that already? Scott, Scott.
And your last name?
Towells.
Towls.
ELLS.
Okay. Your last name is Towells.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Just wait a minute. Your age is 6/20/1954. Is it correct?
Yes. I told you that already.
Okay.
Did you write it down?
Okay, I know. Yes.
Zip code 72855.
72855. Yes.
What do you have as my city? Did you get the city correct?
Okay.
What did you put?
First name.
What did you put for
Just
this?
wait a minute.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Are you writing this into a
Please hold
computer? I know how those things can be
Hello?
so tricky. Yes, I'm here.
Well, thank you so much for holding on. My name is Larry. How are you doing today? Doing good?
Hi, Larry.
So right now we were talking with my associate regarding Final Expense codes. I'm here to provide you that really quickly. Can you please tell me that right now?
Well,
You are 68 years young and you getting your
yes.
social security in your bank account, right?
Yes.
Okay, and have you ever been diagnosed with dementia, Alzheimer's, AIDS, HIV virus, kidney failure? Are you in a nursing home, sir?
Okay, what was the first one?
Have you ever been diagnosed with dementia, Alzheimer's,
No.
AIDS,
No
HIV
dementia.
virus, kidney failure? Oh, got you. Got you.
You're going
Looks
too
like
fast,
you'll be clear
Larry.
from my side.
You're going too fast. What was the one after dementia?
Okay, it's dementia.
Okay, no on dementia. What's next?
Okay. AIDS, HIV virus, or kidney failure?
Oh, slow down. Dementia, and then AIDS. No AIDS. No HPV.
HIV virus?
HPV. No HPV.
And are you in the nursing home?
No, I'm not in the nursing home.
Perfect, sir. So looks like I'm about to connect you with my licensed agent. You qualify for these codes, so please tell me that this call will be recorded for the quality and the training purposes. Is that okay with you?
You want to record? You can record this call. That is fine.
Okay. So can you please tell me how do you pronounce your first name? I don't want to mispronounce that.
What do you have? I'm just. Didn't she give you my name?
As I tell you, this is the recorded line. I have to ask from you, and you have to tell me that what is your name, because we're on the recorded line, and we have to record that. And your
understood.
First name is Scott. Is Scott your first name?
That is correct.
And how do your last name spelled as Towells, right?
Right. And first name is
How do you
spelled
pronounce that?
SCOTT.
Okay, sir. Looks like I'm about to connect you. Your zip code is 72855.
Right.
Is that correct, sir?
That is correct.
Residing. Okay, got you.
What city? Did she get the right city? Sometimes people get it spelled wrong. How did she spell my city?
What you said?
I was just wondering about the spelling.
It's Arkansas.
Yes.
Okay. So it looks like I'm about to connect you, sir. Give me a quick second. And by the way, how long are you residing in Arkansas?
Around 30 years.
It's been a long time, sir. So that's all I have to confirm from your side. And your date of birth is 6/28/1954. So by submitting your information, you agreed to receive communications via live or to dial pre-recorded calls, emails, or text messages from our insurance companies. Their agents and partner companies.
What number? What number are you going to use? Did she write that down?
Right now, this is.
No, I don't want any more.
Right now,
I don't want any calls on this number. I want you to use my home phone. That's why I asked that.
Your home phone. Can I have you?
313.
Can I have your number?
313 563 8593. Could you repeat that?
Got you. So right now on this phone, yes, right now I've got your number for you. So right now, can you please tell me that on this call, would you like to listen to the codes going on, Final Expense, sir?
Would I like to listen to the codes?
Yes, the cash benefits and the free codes going on life insurance plan, like regular or cremation plans.
Free codes? I don't even understand what that is.
Sir, as I tell you, I'm the verification officer. I have a licensed agent with me on the line. He's the right person to provide you all the updated information regarding life insurance policies, and they are offering also the free codes and cash benefits. So would you like to listen or not?
So I would like you to transfer me to a licensed agent.
To the licensed agent in the state of Arkansas.
Right.
So let me ask one more time and give you the acknowledgement of that. After that, I'm going to patch you up with my licensed agent, sir. So by submitting your information, you agree to receive communications via live watchdog, pre-recorded calls, emails, or text messages from our insurance companies, their agents and partner companies at the telephone number you provided, and hold the company harmless. With the best part of this card, your consent is not required to purchase anything, okay?
Okay, and you have the number as 313-563-8593, correct?
8594, right?
Right.
Okay. So I have your number. No problem at all. So give me a quick moment. I'm about to introduce you with my license agent. And after that, he or she will assist you and provide you the codes. Here we go.
Okay.
With me. And by the way, this call also be recorded as telling only for the quality and training purposes.
Okay.
And how's the weather there? Is it cloudy or sunny day so far?
It's a beautiful day.
Beautiful day, okay. Give me a quick moment.
For final expense insurance, please.
Hello?
Yes, sir. I'm with you.
Unfortunately,
Bear with
there are
me.
no agents to speak.
Hello.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, sir. Bear with me. Give me a quick second, sir. I'm about to quickly introduce you. Here we go.
That doesn't seem to be working.
Are you talking with me, sir?
I'm just asking you if it's working like it's supposed to, because I don't hear the
No,
agent.
it's working. Right now, these are the new state regulated program, and they're not everyone not qualified for these codes. So right now, most of the pupils goes and listen to that plans. If you do, they like to. You can go ahead and buy that policy also. So give me a quick second. Let me transfer one more time, sir. If not, I can schedule a call back for you. There we go. The Jim Lights Godwin is ready for you.
Insurance Supermarket, we're speaking on a recorded line. You do have a pleasure of assisting today.
Hello, today I got Scott Towels with me on the line, ages 68, residing in Arkansas. Zip code is 72855, and he wants to know the new codes going on Final Expense. Please take over the call and assist furthermore.
Thank you. I'd be more than happy to assist. Hello, Mr. Scott. Thank you so much for connecting with me today. And just to set the right expectations for this call, I understand you're interested in getting quotes for life insurance or final expense. Is this correct, Mr. Scott?
Yes. Are you in Texas? I hear an accent.
Oh, no. We are... Oh, definitely. So I'm based in Miami, Florida, and that's where our head office is. But however, we are licensed in all states.
Oh, okay. You sound like Texas.
Okay. All right, so... No, I'm not from Texas. All right.
Are you wearing a cowboy hat?
Can I proceed?
You wearing a cowboy hat? You have a couple of guns by your side? I lost you for that? I guess guns is too far. All right. That was okay. Yes, I'm here.
Scott, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Scott.
I was disconnected.
Right now, let's...
I was disconnected from my agent.
Yes, I think the line was disconnected for the bad connection. Give me a quick
Yes.
second. Let me transfer one more time for you.
Hello? That's really the end.
Please like and subscribe. Right?
Yes, thank you.
मत मारो